finding out that I'm a connector really made me appreciate the qualities that I have, and see that there's something that not everyone has, and see how that can be something that's worthwhile, and also seeing the downfalls of it spelled out so clearly. It was interesting for me to just notice how I've been hiding under the desk, not looking at my money things, those things, and kind of leaning on other people very lightly, but for basically all my life, never being totally independent. And I was like, hey, I'm a smart girl. I'm good with math. There's no reason for me to not be able to manage some huge amounts of money. And also just the fact, like, connecting ideas and stuff like that made me go after something that I've always loved, which is writing books. And I started just seeing everybody's books inside them, and I was like, oh, there's a book in you. You could write this book, and just making that connection, and allowing myself to start this other kind of business idea of helping people write their books, kind of came from understanding the connector magic of seeing people's books in a way.
So I'd love to invite you to be one of our next inspiring case studies as well. So check out SMA. I hope you come and join us, and it's your time and you're ready for the next step.